Hi friends, today we are going to learn about the slice method in REACTJS. Slice method is a array method. How to use this slice method in REACTJS? In this video we will learn that one. Just type here, that is snippet REACE and hit it, then we will get the template for the component. It is a arrow function component. Then let's create one array here, const arr, which is equals to, within square brackets we are going to give the string type of values ab comma within double quotes cd comma within double quotes ef comma within double quotes gh within double quotes. After that give the comma and give the I j comma then kl something within double quotes. Then we will apply this slice method for this array elements. Now we'll create one variable, that is slice arr slice slice equals to arr. It is an array and we are going to apply this slice slice. Within this we are going to use the slicing kind of things without giving any kind of thing. What is the return value for the arr slice? If you pass any arguments in the slice, what it is going to return the value into this arr slice. If you pass any kind of value like 2 or something, some parameter, what is the result? So we'll try with the empty first, after that we'll give the parameters. Now we'll display what is in the arr slice. Now clg, it is a snippet, and give the shortcut form and press enter. Then click this, select it and copy it and paste it here, control V equals to, after this one give the array slice variable, and let's verify on the browser and refresh it first thing. Then look here, it is going to give all the elements from the array because we are not passing any slicing parameter. So now we will pass the sliced parameter. For example, if we give 0, what it is going to slice? Just verify this. Again it is giving everything. So if you give 1, what it is going to slice? Here refresh it, what it is slicing? AB sliced, CD onwards it is giving. So AB is not showing, so except AB, if you pass the single parameter except AB, remaining are sliced and giving to arr slice. If you give 2, what will happen? Then refresh it. First 2 elements sliced and first 2 elements not showing, except first 2 remaining sliced. Slice means except 2, first 2 remaining are showing, that means remaining sliced and showing on the console. Here if you pass the single parameter, if you pass 2 parameters 2 comma 3, what it is going to slice? It is a range, it is a range. If you give the only single parameter, what it is happening? Except those remaining are slices and showing on console. If you pass the range, what will happen? That range value is going to slice and show on the browser. 2 comma 3, what is the range slice value here? Only ef, how it is going to slice? 0 position, 1 position and second position. From second position, second parameter is that 3, before 3 what is that? 2 only, that's why it is giving single value. If you give the 4, what it is going to give? Second parameter, second position, third position it is going to show on the console. Look here, second position element, third position element it is showing. So in this way we can slice it and show the on the browser. For example, only single value -2 if you give, what it is going to give? If you give -1, what happens here? Only single value, there is no range at all. And refresh it, what it is going to give? KL, that means last one. If you give -2, it is going to give last 2. It is going to give last 2. So here if you give 2 means except these two, -2 means only last 2 elements, except remaining it will not give. That means if you give minus means only last 2 elements are giving, remaining are not showing. If you give just 2, first 2, except these 2 first, remaining are showing. So that is the difference. Here -2, if you give -2, these last 2 are showing. So if you want only ij, what is the parameter we can pass here? Ij, if you want pass only -2 comma -1. So if you want only this one, by using the positive value, how can we do? 0 1 2 3 4 4 comma 5. If you give 4 comma 5 positive range, then it is going to give ij. So in this way we can utilize this slice method, and after getting the values you can display on the browser also here by applying the map method. Let's try for this h1, Ctrl Z, Ctrl X, h, we will apply h1, then give the value, Alt Shift F, then go for that error slice, Ctrl C, Control within curly brackets will for the JS, and Control V, then and if the value is available then only it is going to do, then Control V dot map, within this we will give the element and comma and index, also give the callback function, that is arrow function ele. We are going to display ele value, so h1 will follow that h2 tag and close this one, within double quotes give the ele, and we need to pass the key value, key property, then then let's verify on the browser, ij it is coming. If you change the range, what will happen here? If you change the range from 1 to 5 means 1 means CD, E 1 2 3 4. So except first one, last one, remaining is going to display on the browser. See here, AB is not there, KL is not there. Likewise we can display the values. And coming, it is a slice method we applied for the array elements. Now we are going to apply the slice method for the array of objects. So let's check that array of objects here. Just one data I copied, Ctrl X, and keep it in our component and utilize this, Ctrl C, then we will follow that same slicing method. Let arr array of obj slice, slice, slice. We should follow that camel case here so that we can understand. Obj, O capital, here also O capital, that's it. And coming to apply that, Control V dot slice, slice here, then use that here. If we follow this, what will happen? We'll check it, console it first, Control C, Control V, and we'll apply this variable, Control C, Control V. It is a normal one. This double code things you can give anything here, and let's verify on the browser what is going to show in the console also. So it is a array slice, already we discussed. Then coming to this array of objects, everything is showing. That means we have not passed any parameter. Let's pass one parameter here, 1. If you pass 1, what will happen? Then we'll check it, only one parameter except first parameter, remaining should be shown. So except first one, remaining are showing. So that means id2, id3 is showing, id1 is not showing. So if you give 2, what will happen? Except first 2, only 1 it is going to show, last one. So it is a single parameter. If you follow that 1 comma 3, so first one, this is 0 1 2. So 1 means 1 2. So 2 3 id 2 3 it is going to show on the browser. id 2 3, look here, id 2 3 it is going to show on browser. It is the range, and give the negative value what it is going to give, -1. That means reverse, only last id 3 object it is going to show on the browser. So here last 3, last two if you want last 2 objects, then give the 2, last 2 objects it's going to show on the browser, last 2, and the console last 2 only showing, only first one if you want, just give the -3 comma -2. What will give that? Just will verify that. Look here, what is the value? Only id1. In this way we can use that positive number, positive range, negative number, negative range. So we can display the values on the browser also. Just copy this and paste it here, Control V. You can apply this here. What we can give, that is this one, Control C, this one, Control V and Control V, apply this. Here we should not give any element or anything, just we can give obj and go to that obj dot id, and likewise we can give within double quotes obj dot, what are the parameters, properties here, book price. So we'll give the book here, book book, and here also we can give obj dot entire objects we are going to display, obj dot last one is price, price, price. Then we should give the key value here, obj dot id. Then we have to give this obj dot like this, Alt Shift F, then it is going to be correct format. Then we'll look for browser to see the values. Okay, 1JS 45 it is showing, it is the first array object, it is the second object. For understanding, we can give the in front of that one id colon something, and here also book colon. You can give the capital letters also, here also you can give the id I capital, and the final last you can give P capital, price, price, price. Then you can understand very clearly, that's why we can give this. Refresh it, then it is giving the values. And if you want to show them only first one 2 comma, so 1 comma 3, what it is going to show, last 2 objects. Look here, last 2 objects are it is showing here. So in this way we can work on this slice with arrays, slice with array of objects. By using map method also we can show on the browser, and at the same console, by consoling also you can look for the result on the browser. So that's it friends. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.